disgusting! Whack! Whack! Hello everyone! I'm Miss Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. When you feel disgusted or unpleasant, what do you say? Wow, this documentary film is so much fun. Chi-Chi, do you know what to do when you got stung by jellyfish? No? What should I do? You should pee on it yourself on the spot. What? You mean 작은 거? Yeah, I saw that from another documentary the other day. Ew, that is so disgusting! Whack! Whack! In this case, when you feel so disgusted, you would say ew or gross. In conversational Korean, we'd say whack, whack, or 역겨워, meaning it's so disgusting. Listen carefully to that sound itself and mimic that funny frog intonation. Listen carefully and repeat this expression together. Whack, 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 whack. Good job. Now, let's use this expression in real-life examples. What happened to your hair? Why so greasy? 왜 이렇게 떡졌어? I know it's stupid mythology, but I'm in the middle of midterm. 시험 기간에 머리 감으면 시험 망쳐서 안 돼. 이번 시험은 망하면 안 돼. 웩! 너무 더러워! 좀 씻어라! 웩! Don't forget to practice 웩! 웩! in your daily life, and I hope to see you again soon. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Miss Kiki's channel so we can meet every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks for watching. Bye!